I'm Charlie Foote. I'm currently enrolled in the Electrical Construction and Maintenance program at Mitchell Tech. Mitchell Tech, in my opinion, in the state of South Dakota, definitely has the best electrical program around and probably even out of the surrounding areas. My future after Mitchell Tech, I'm gonna go back to Yankton. I have that Build Dakota contract. I gotta work for 3 years. I'm 100% happy with my decision. I enjoy being here. I enjoy my classes. I enjoy my instructors. They're great.
My name is Hunter Brigham. I'm in the Electrical Construction and Maintenance program here at Mitchell Tech. My career path is to be an electrician. I'll graduate here in May and I'll be an apprentice electrician, and eventually I'll become a journeyman. And I was interested in going into electrical construction and maintenance because I like working with my hands, and being in the field, working with all these different things that we use every day seemed really interesting to me.
I feel like I can go anywhere. I mean, I need to obviously finish my schooling first, and then I'll have my 3 years in there, which I'll be able to actually test my knowledge and make sure I actually know everything that I learned. And then after that, I'm confident I could go anywhere and do just about anything. I would say it's very high, the job demand for the electrical field. I know a lot of people are looking, a lot of the trade jobs are looking, but I mean, about anywhere you go, you can probably get hired with an electric company. They're all shorthand in some way. I could possibly see myself doing other things on the side, but I think I will use this for the rest of my life.
The thing that I like best about being at Mitchell Tech is being able to work in the lab. You really get to transfer what you learn in the classroom into the lab, and it helps you learn a lot better. The thing I like best about my instructors is that they have real life experience in the field. These guys have seen it all and done it all, so it really makes what they teach more valuable. The instructors are absolutely here to help us succeed. They help us every step of the way.
I'm being the best at Mitchell Tech.
I'm being the best at Mitchell Tech.